work as a department of trade and industry, and we try to be a bike-friendly workplace. Come join me as I bike to work this morning.
The TTI main office is located in the Central Business District of Makati. It's very traffic congested every morning. That's the reason why we try to be a bike-friendly workplace to encourage our fellow public officers to take alternative transport, including biking, to lessen traffic here in the metro. For example, my commute is 11 kilometers one way. It takes me an hour if I drive a car, but it only takes me 30 minutes if I ride a bike.
That's the TTI main office. Welcome to our bike-friendly workplace. As you can see, one of our end-of-trip facilities is bike parking. We got these bike racks coming from the DOTR, so thanks DOTR. This bike parking can accommodate as much as 15 bikes. We have another one in the other 11. Another important end-of-trip facility we have is shower and changing area. This has a wash basin, a urinal, and of course the important shower and a changing room to get ready for your workday. Well, it's almost the workday. Thank you for joining me in my bike commute. We hope with this sharing, we inspire other offices here in Makati CBD to support their bike commuters and provide them with end-of-trip facilities.